We went on a bit of an exclusive tour of Inmotion, you might say. And there at Inmotion we got to see many unreleased and interesting and upcoming products. I'm not allowed to tell you about many of them, but one that I will still tell you about is this small little electric unicycle that looks quite unassuming, but is actually very interesting. We got to try it a bit indoors, and it's a wheel that's specifically meant for learners. So what makes it so easy to learn? It has two tires on one rim, so it self-balances completely in all directions. So you can just leave it and standing there and it just stands there. It's very interesting because for a long time I feel like all electric unicycles that have been coming out are these sort of big things, getting more faster, more powerful, and sort of meant for, you know, enthusiasts who already know how to ride. But for someone to get into the hobby, there hasn't really been that many wheels. The wheel itself will be sort of a lower end wheel, as you might expect for beginners. Most likely price will be around 500 euros, but all of the pricing is yet to be confirmed. There will be 3 versions with 3 different battery sizes. The 2 larger batteries will have a top speed of around 25 kilometers, and the tiniest version with the tiny battery, that will have a top speed of 15 kilometers an hour. The design is fairly simple. It looks like an egg really, but that's also kind of the beauty of it. It's very minimalist, very simple, sort of an approachable thing for people who want to learn. The battery capacities and motor power is still yet to be confirmed, as you might expect with us getting sort of just a tiny exclusive peek at the product that is yet to be released. Not everything is confirmed yet, but you should pretty much definitely be able to order one of these wheels from the Voltride store in this season, in 2024. But yeah, until then, see you next time.